Welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be showing you a clear and simple way to create your very own watermark right in Photoshop. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to make a watermark from scratch, customize it, and add it seamlessly onto any photo, giving your work a professional, branded touch. So let's get started. First, open up Photoshop on your computer. This is your creative workspace and where all the magic happens. Once you're in, head up to the top left corner and click on File, then choose New from the drop-down menu. Here, where you set up the canvas for your watermark, we're going for a size of 500 pixels by 500 pixels, nice and compact, perfect for a watermark. Set the resolution to 300 pixels per inch. This simply means your watermark will look crisp and high quality, whether it's for print or online use. Then under Background Contents, choose Transparent. This step is important because you want your watermark to blend smoothly over any image, not block out parts of your photo with a solid white background. Finally, hit Create. Now you've got a blank canvas to work with. Next up, let's add some text. Select the text tool from the toolbar. It looks like a little T. Click into your canvas and type anything you want. Your website, your name, or brand, whatever you'd like people to see over your photos. You can play with the font, size, and style to really make it match your vibe. Don't rush this part. Think about readability and how it'll look on different backgrounds. If you'd like to add a logo for an extra professional touch, here's what you do. Click File again, then choose Place Embedded. This allows you to bring in any logo file, maybe a PNG with transparency or even a vector image. Once your logo appears on the canvas, grab the Move tool, which looks like a little arrow at the top of the toolbox. Use it to gently drag and position your logo exactly where you want it. Don't worry if it's not perfect on the first try. You can nudge it into place and resize until it fits nicely with your text. Now select both your text and logo layers by holding down the Shift key and clicking each one. With both layers highlighted, head over to the Layers panel and lower their opacity to around 25%. This makes your watermark subtle enough to protect your work without being distracting. Next, right-click on one of the selected layers and choose Blending Options, then set the blend mode to Overlay. This helps your watermark hug the colors and details of any background image once it's applied, rather than sitting stiffly on top. Once your watermark looks how you want, go up to Edit, then select Define Pattern. Give it a name like Leaf Pattern Watermark or whatever makes sense for you and click OK. What you've just done is saved your handmade watermark as a reusable pattern you can add to any photo. Now let's try it out. Open a photo file in Photoshop and make sure that your image layer is selected. Down at the bottom of your Layers panel, click on the little half-filled circle. That's the Add Adjustment Layer button. From the menu, pick Pattern. Here, you'll see a list of available patterns, including the watermark you just made. Select it and voila, your watermark appears on the image. Don't worry, you can still tweak things here. You're able to adjust the angle and scale of your watermark to make sure it sits exactly how you want it on your photo. Play around with these settings until you're happy. Maybe tilt it for a more dynamic look or shrink it down for a subtle signature effect. Once everything looks perfect, click OK and you're done, and that's it. You've created a versatile watermark, ready to protect and brand your photos with ease. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or want to share your results, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-follow Photoshop tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.